Do you know there's a group dedicated to helping trees pick their noses?
Just kidding.
These things only look like boogers. What they are will shock you. But now that you know what they look like, would you eat this?
L to the no.
What is it?
Bug.
Where does it come from? How did it get its name? And most importantly, what does it taste like?
Slimy yet satisfying.
After this video, you'll never look at trees the same way again. This is Tamilok. Tamilok, or woodworm, might seem like the last thing you'd want to eat. But in the Philippines, diners think this creature is a delicacy.
Ow!
Don't worry, it's not really a worm. It's a mollusk that worms its way into trees and even large wooden ships using its chisel-like teeth. So, it's a clam with teeth. Feel better? I know I don't. In 1502, Christopher Columbus blamed the failure of his fourth voyage to the Americas on these critters. He wrote that his ships were worm-eaten and riddled with more holes than a honeycomb. Sure, Chris, blame the clams with teeth. But you don't have to be on a ship to run into these things. Experts say you can find Tamilok almost anywhere there's wood and water. In the Philippines, Tamiloks live in mangrove trees immersed in salt water and rotting logs. To catch fresh Tamilok, you'll have to wade through swampy riverbeds until you find large blackened branches. Then split them open with an axe. This harvesting process accidentally gave Tamilok its name. During World War II, American soldiers in the Philippines saw locals wading through swamps and harvesting these huge woodworms. Legend has it that one soldier yelled to another, "Tommy, look!" This sounded very similar to Tamilok, and the name has stuck to the woodworm ever since. Come to think of it, that's exactly how I got the nickname, "Ma'am, you can't drink wine in here." Kinda stuck. Okay, you brave the primordial swamp, split open a branch, and pull these long mollusks out of their holes. Now, you gotta eat them.
Really?
Really?
Tamilok is traditionally eaten raw and swallowed whole. Good luck. But first, you have to remove their head and feet. You'll also need to squeeze out all the feces. It's common for street vendors in the Philippines to sell them ceviche style, which means they're cured in coconut vinegar and lime juice, then mixed with chili and salt. That sounds a little more palatable. Since Tamilok is a mollusk, its flavor and texture are like an oyster. But those in the Philippines say it doesn't taste like anything else. Well, at least these things taste better than prison food. Or do they? Check out how you would eat in a U.S. prison. It's up next on Origins of Food.